Brothers, the EVO 9 is officially finished. I never like doing year-end summaries. As a hardcore car enthusiast, I feel any summary is less meaningful than building my own car with my own hands. Much more meaningful. In 2023, we kicked off our EVO 9 replica plan, and today, together with all of you in front of the camera, we'll do the final assembly of this classic championship car to give the past a perfect ending. Next, put on your gloves and enjoy this immersive final assembly together. Out of the doorways the bullets rip. To the side of the beast, yeah. Another one bites the dust. I have eyes satisfied our. I let the weather full of special. Still gonna be lover. Hey. Dust. Another one bust to dust. Oh, another one bust to dust. Hey, hey. Another one bust to dust, hey. Plenty of ways so you can hide them out. I'm ready, guess. I'm ready for you. I'm standing on my own to beat. I'm gonna go in a bullet stream for beating in the time of beast, oh yeah. And now, I want fights for Duster. Do another one by the dust. Shoot up. Unlike hope. Hey yo, first days first. It's time to shake ground in the 8th round. Boss battle my breakdown for the beat and the rhyme tone. Jump in the sock known as C where all yes. Yes, I know the rapping back. Take yourself now, duck down stuff they can't breathe out. You know the together okay, in the club with a cheesy sweater. Why not, we got someone street credit. The rookie police letters, now that's foolish. Cause we don't ask sweet. Cause I can run 10 laps and a track kick. It. Brothers, we're about to do the triple combo. Shaking the Brock while breaking the bust out. Shaking the front powder. Watch the prom, what now, watch a bow shit get soft down. Click click power knock knock down, what? Just what I thought was something now. Quick quick power knock knock down, what? Just what I thought was something now. Unlike. Hold it down, never given style. Your friends you knocked out, turning the wind. Hopped out, what you want, take a look at my grand. I may you can tell about the Clippers and fans, yo. I got a rock star, pivot the horse. Brain and Joe. With them with the distorted entire string who. Am I rushing my lead, Kumar tire pushing it. Bed hiding in Quebec in July. And we got 5. One stereo pop gun line, here we go SLB drive son. With the kids in the hall with a new block date. Let's live both things like Boondice. Get your snapped and Zodigo style picture on keep it. Quick quick power now. Now what just? Quick power now, not that. What just what I thought was right now. Drawn really yourself. Really, can you all come on, Park Shamoff? You really gotta be gone, ripped out of your brain, tripped over your life in distance. That's so begin, what's with this? Settle it now. And I don't know who did it, but they said it was style. Quick 5-9 down, what? That's what I thought, what's up now? Men are born to play with cars. After more than 2 months of effort, this Mitsubishi Lancer CS3A has perfectly evolved into a CT9A. Anyone who watched this series to the end is definitely a true fan. Remember to like and support us. What car do you want to see us play with in the new year?